Hi guys, welcome to Audrey's channel. So we're gonna open 2 more last ones. Let's open it. In one video, we're gonna open 2 eggs. Like we did not do that before.
How come you like Shopkins?
Yeah. Shopkins are not really my favorite, but Shopkins are still okay.
But I like your Nerf gun at the back.
Ooh.
I can see a few Nerf guns.
Yeah, there's one Rainbow Dash.
Yeah, one Rainbow Dash and some Avengers and DC Comics heroes, right?
Yeah, there's...
Avengers are over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see the Avengers.
Yeah, my...
Nerf gun.
Half my face.
Yeah. Some more new toys coming.
Yeah.
Some more new videos are coming.
After I go with Maya. There's gonna be new adventure videos and me and Maya. Just stay tuned in that video and the next video. Next video is gonna be me and Maya going to an adventure in Macau. Okay. Abandoned street video. It's gonna be very scary. Let's keep this for a surprise and let's open the other one first. Actually, I don't know what that is. We got your phone. So thin. Okay, made it more thick. Ah! Stop sticking. Here's the rubbish for you. Let's open it. Let's crack these and get 2. Whoa!
More duplicates?
These 2 are duplicates. I don't need it. These 2 are not duplicates, so we can open it.
So a lot of kids will get some gift from you.
That's the Shopkins. You got this new bottle something. We got Wobble. I forgot what her name is. Wobble Jelly. We got these are the 2 new ones. Here. These are 2 new ones. Wobble. There. Okay. So bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the like button for 2,000 million times. Okay, bye.